Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Log In YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Bank One. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Bank One login in Google. Now right after that you will be able to see a link at seconds on screen where you need to click on it, and now you will be redirected to official page of Bank One where you can see two login options. First one is old corporate IB and another one is new IB login. Let me choose first one, but the login process is going to be same. Now you'll be redirected to official login page of Bank One where it is asking us for our corporate ID or user ID. So let me show you an example. Now click on continue. Now you need to enter your password and make sure you check mark the box. And once your credentials is done, click to continue and you'll be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can simply click on forgot your login details shown in screen and complete the formalities and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into Bank One, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.